Hey folks, this is Perry again. The weather is kind of turning for the worse. It was nice and sunny earlier today, and now it's windy and overcast and raining. So I don't have a whole lot of time to do what I need to do, but this is the new motor that I have for the compressor. And back here is the VFD. This is the pulley and the hub. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to try to document it here, is I'm going to pull the old motor off the compressor and drop the new one in place and try to get it lined up. There's a few challenges that are going to come about, and I'll do my best to explain them. So come along and watch with me. Thanks. So I did a few things off camera. First thing I did off camera was I unbolted the pump, or the motor I mean. I took the shroud off, belts, I removed the pulley, which is kind of an interesting process, but putting it on is the reverse, and I'll go through that on camera. But I'm unbolted here, I got a pick eye in here, and the next thing I need to do is measure the distance that the motor shaft end is from the end of this pulley so I can get the new motor in the correct place. So it's right about an inch, so if I get it within an inch of this, then the new motor will be fine. Because the new motor, I think it's got a little shorter shaft, but that's not going to be a problem. Okay, next step, I've got it rigged with a sling, and then the sling goes over and loops back on the bucket curl pin, and it's on through here with a shackle, so we'll get this lifted off. Okay, next I'm going to try to wrestle this 211-pound motor, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. I think it should be possible with a sling and shackle. Basically get it within 50 distance. That was actually relatively easy. Okay, now we're going to pick the new motor. Hadn't anticipated something. As these are 12 mil holes and these are 1/2 inch bolts, so I'm going to have to drill those out. Okay, holes have been drilled out. Now let's do this again. Let's see how far we off. Yeah, looks like we're about an inch. Yeah, 1.5 almost. That's 3/4 of an inch. I think we're going to have to re-drill and tap these holes. And I can already tell I'm going to have to do that over here, so I think I'll call it a night. Thanks for watching. Time to go put steaks on the grill.